Hey guys, in this video is going to be checking out the virus shutout checking by right now. In terms of quality, these are all kinds of customer reviews and price reductions. I have reviewed this virus shutout based on personal opinion by verifying the market value. If the product you mentioned has more information and an updated price, it needs to be linked in the description below. Okay, so start. With similar concept of the famous EA mask, this airbag produces chlorine dioxide to protect a person wearing it from virus, bacteria and fungi attack within 0.5 meter circle from the product. It is suitable for all ages including newborn babies and pregnant women. It can effectively prevent virus and bacteria from spreading in public transport, school and hospital if everyone is wearing it, and prevent a person who wears it from bringing virus, bacteria and fungi back home via clothes. Less visible and obtrusive than a face mask, the Tomit virus shutout is a good option for workplaces, public transport, and any other crowded space where airborne germs and viruses are a risk. Tomit virus shutout is made in Japan, so you can rest assured in its safety and quality. Each piece will last approximately 30 days after opening. Suitable for everyone, especially suitable for sick patients, people with low immunity, children, elderly, long-term access to hospitals and clinics with more bacteria. Strong physical sterilization, strong decomposition at all times. Helps to eliminate planktonic bacteria, influenza and other viruses, reducing the chance of being infected or infecting others. Chlorine dioxide, sodium chloride, natural zeolite. Expiration date, 30 days after opening the cover, it is invalid and needs to be discarded. Tomit virus shutout is an antiviral and antibacterial personal protection device. This lanyard releases a low concentration of airborne chlorine dioxide to eliminate germs and viruses in the surrounding air. Just wearing this item around your neck creates a barrier against germs and viruses. How to use. Remove the card and wear the rope on your body, restricts virus with 1 meter circle from the product. I want to be prepared. Antivirus measures to hang from your neck. Neck hanging type sterilization blocker. We protect you from epidemic virus. Containing sodium chloride. Removal of chlorine dioxide compound and sterilization components since opening. Removes viruses and bacteria that are floating around. Take out the virus away body and attach it to the included neck strap. Attach it and hang it from your neck. Reduce the chance of being infected and infecting others. After wearing the body, a protective layer is formed in 3D within 1 meter. Colorless, tasteless, non-toxic, suitable for babies, children, pregnant women and the elderly.